Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a double exposure effect in Photoshop. All the photos in the description link, you can download it to go along with me. First, you have to separate the subject from the background. Copy the subject layer with Ctrl or Command C. Press Ctrl N to create a new document. Width 2560 pixels, height 1440 pixels, resolution 72. Background contents, use this color code hashtag 2E2E2E. Create. Paste the subject with Ctrl or Command V. Zoom out, use transform tool, Ctrl T to scale down and adjust its position. Click your adjustment icon, select Hue Saturation. Click to this icon to clip it to the subject layer. Decrease saturation to -79 and lightness to -62. Ctrl J to duplicate this background layer. Click to this icon to unlock background. Use Move tool and drag it to our project. Take layer 2 below layer 1. Decrease opacity to 30%. In layer 3, press Ctrl Alt G or Command Option G to clip it. Hold Ctrl and click to layer 2 to select layer 2 and 3. Ctrl T to scale down the side and adjust the position. Select layer 2, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, 7 pixels, OK. Create another Hue Saturation adjustment layer. Saturation -32, lightness -30. Change blend mode of layer 3 to screen. In the mask of Hue Saturation 1, use Brush tool, black in foreground color, opacity 30%. Paint on the edge of layer 1 to make the transition smooth between highlights and shadow. Hold Shift and click to the mask to disable or enable for checking the before and after. Create a color lookup adjustment layer. To add color preset to the photo, select Fuji E-Tanner in 3D LUT file. Create Vibrant adjustment layer. Increase Vibrant to 37 to enhance colors. Add contrast with curve adjustment layer. Increase highlight and decrease shadow to create S-curve. That's it. Hope that you like this tutorial. Hit like and please comment in case you want me to clarify something on this clip. Thanks for watching.